Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I just got done working here on Steve's lawn. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And what I did for Steve here today was aerate seed, fertilize his lawn. And I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at it. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye. I'm in the Mill Creek area too. Hello, this is Stuart, and today I'm on Steve's lawn. Today is September 24th, and this is a lawn that I had previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized. And I was just driving by and I wanted to check out my work and see how it's doing. Steve lives in the Mill Creek area. Once again, this is Stuart, and thank you for watching my video. Bye-bye.